Ito ang secret tactic when you want to achieve consistency that no one talks about. If this is the first time na mapapanood mo ako, I'm Neil Reichel, podcast host ng $1 Million Filipino Freelancer. Link is here or description is there. Pero going back to you, freelancer ka, problema mo is consistency. Ito ang technique na nakita ko na sobrang effective para sa akin. And that is this. Huwag mong i-rely sa'yo, sa sarili mo, ang consistency. Ipasa mo sa team mo, mag-delegate ka, mag-outsource ka. Bakit? It's a lot easier to stay consistent for somebody else. That is a psychological hack. Bakit? Kasi you need to comply because there is sweldo, there is a return, there's an exchange of value that you can actually see, feel, and hear. Diba? Versus relying it on yourself na parang, bukas na nga lang. Pero diba? Pag may pinagawa sa'yo, yung boss mo, yung client mo, parang, hala, kailangan ko itong gawin. Kahit na nasa CR ka, diba? Hala, kailangan ko mag-reply dito. See the difference? So, in business, sa'yo, nakasalala yung consistency, ipasa mo sa ibang tao. Sa kanya, yan. Pasa mo sa kanya yung consistency and maniwala ka. Ibang klaseng level, lilipad yung consistency. Bye, bashers.